Hi guys, today we have our first lesson on character creation. We will model it and color it with a pre-textured markup. You can find tutorials on the basics of modeling in Blender by following the links in the description. I'll model the character according to my sketch. You can take any picture on the internet. First, let's create a torso using extrude. Now extrude the shoulder. And further the hand. We will not to make fingers. The purpose of this tutorial is to create the simplest character. In the future I plan to animate it. Now we create the legs. The most difficult thing for me is to make a foot. Do not forget to view the model from all angles. This makes it easier to spot cracked spots on the mesh. Add a belt. We will correct the back. When modeling the head, I always duplicate the extreme edges of the neck. Notice the top number of edges on top is equal to the number of edges on the bottom. By the way, the head is also not my strong point. I mean modeling. We will not do the mouth. Let our guy be silent. Now let's model the color. After our model is ready, start marking the seams. Marking the seams is necessary for further UV mapping. It is advisable to mark the seams where they will not be visible, or on the border of two different materials, such as leather and clothing. Now we create a UV map. After marking all the seams, create a texture and save it. When creating the UV map, I try to position the parts so that they are in the same position as in 3D viewport. I mean, if the character's hand in the 3D viewport window is in a vertical position with his fist down, then I will place this part on the UV map in the same way. Vertically, fist down. Now we place the image in any editor convenient for you. Whoa, it looks like I messed up here. Let's fix it. Great! Now in texture paint mode we paint our model in different colors to distinguish between parts of a shirt, trousers, leather, and so on. If you use the mirror modifier, do not write letters, as on the other hand they will not be readable. Well, only if you look at the character through the mirror. Now we draw fingers, veins, hairstyle, seams on the shirt, small facial hair, laces, patch here and here. In here we will make laces, folds of clothes, the most important thing I almost forgot. The last line. Ready! Now save the texture and place it in the editor. In the next lesson we will paint the texture, but it's not exactly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.